Well, it's a very nice day for January here. I'm gonna start my Super W6TA. I gotta move it out of here and move some other stuff so Dad could clear snow. It's 4 degrees Celsius, which isn't that bad. It's 40 degrees or 39, something like that. So it's not a cold start, just a regular start. Check the oil. Oil will be fine. I gotta wipe the stick off. Yeah, oil's fine. It's gonna need a change before that spring. I'm gonna change the oil. It's got the 40 hours on, but still pitch black. Looks dirty. Now I'm gonna check the antifreeze, which is something you always do with these diesels before you start them. Don't start these tractors without doing that. And it's good. If I could reach the antifreeze with my finger, I'm good. I want to assume these things are out of gas because they usually are. Sounds like it's almost full now. It wasn't empty yet when I probably started, but I always like to make sure, because then when you run out of gas, then you start over again. Okay, I always shut the fuel off on this thing, so turn it on. If I can get there. I think it's easier from the other side, but I like to make sure the diesel fuel's on. There we go. These are fussier with the choke. Get up on the trap. I flatted, I don't know why. I think it's probably flooded, but bit. You never know how to start these darn things. You see, I don't have any fuel pressure, which is a concern, but it will, once everything fills up, I'll get fuel pressure. So all I need to do is solder up this line. It's ready to switch to diesel, I'm sure, but no fuel pressure. I'll give her some more on gas until I get some fuel pressure. There we go. Now we got fuel there. I'll switch her over. Good now. I gotta change a couple of light bulbs on my Super W6. No surprises, I run at night. This one's burnt out. Probably should unhook it first. Did pretty good. These track lights are on this tractor when I got, and this is the first time I've replaced one. Who knows how old they were when I got it. Oh, and you just lift this tab up and pop out. They're reproducing these. I got this at Bates Corporation in the US. I'm honestly not a huge fan of Steiner. I'll tell you why in a future video. I prefer Bates to Steiners. I do. This ground strap should... What's the deal with this? Oh yeah, it goes up, back. This has top on it. It's exactly the same as the original. These are supposed to be 6 volt. I got some 12 volt ones off of Steiner for my diesel. This tractor is 6 volt and I'm going to keep it that way as long as I can. Lights on. This one's just as bright as the other one. These are just 1129 bulbs. This one's burnt out. The original lights are 1133s and they were a lot better. Why isn't this going? It's 11:29. It should fit. Guess that's all the new ones are. Boy, that's not real good. Well, God bless you all. Catch you at the next video. Please like and subscribe.